In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tag in Omnisend. Now, there's a few ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the easiest ones. So, the first one, you can go to Contacts over here, and whenever you're actually adding a contact, so I'm going to click on Add a Single Contact over here. You can, of course, put in all their details, and down here, you can search for tags. So, if I put in a tag, for example, called Tutorial, doesn't make sense, but still, as you can see, I can create a new tag called Tutorial just like this. And then whenever I add that specific person, they will have that tag, okay? So that's one way to do it. The second way to do it is this. You can go to your contacts you already have, and then you want to click on a specific contact. I just have a random tutorial one over here I generated for this video. And then down here at the bottom, it says tags and then add. You can click on the add button. Again, you can type in the name of your tag, and then you can create a new one if you wanna. Click on add, and there we go. If you then go to your audience and over here under tags, you should be able to see all your tags you have previously created and used. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.